going on, YouTube fam? I'm back today with a great budget EDC knife. This is the Eafengrow EF973 folding knife for $26.99. That's right. You can find this on Amazon for $26.99, and it comes in 3 colors: army green, black, and brown. What we're looking at now is the army green version. Nice, beautiful texture. Little blue accents in the front and back. Look at that bad boy. EF logo. D2 steel. And this is a nice everyday budget knife. $26.99, you can't go wrong. Very big knife. I believe the blade is the length of 4.1 inches. The handle length is 4.9 inches, which is great for my big hands, which gives this blade an overall length of 9 inches. The handle length is, I believe it's micarta, which gives it a nice, natural, grippy feel to it. Has a nice little, kind of like a basket weave design. I like it a lot. Pretty good pocket clip, deep concealed pocket clip. Now you can't reverse the pocket clip to the other side, which I would have liked, you know, just to have that option. But this blade is just sitting on ball bearings, you know, deployment system, which is very smooth. Drops down, opens up, no problem. I believe the blade width is 3 centimeters, and the blade thickness is 4 millimeters. It's a pretty nice thick bad boy right there. I mean, overall, I've been rocking this knife for about 2 weeks now, and it's cutting everything no problem. Stays sharp with that D2 steel blade. You know, nice contouring on the sides here. Beautiful stone wash finish on the blade. Overall, nice big knife. Has a little lanyard hole there. Want to put your paracord through there or something. Beautiful knife. And I mean, $26.99. Overall, I think it's a strong build, and we'll consider this a high quality folding knife for everyday use. You know, fishing, hiking, EDC. Something to have on you every day. This guy would do the job. Again, this is from Eafengrow. It's the EF973 folding knife. And you can't go wrong for $26.99. Check these guys out. Amazon. Army green. And they have them in black and brown.